The entrepreneurial journey has always been characterized by innovation, risk-taking, and adaptability. At its essence, entrepreneurship involves testing ideas and managing uncertainty. In today's landscape, artificial intelligence, AI, has brought about a transformative change, reshaping how entrepreneurs validate business ideas and gather market intelligence. This evolution is more than a technological enhancement. It represents a fundamental redefinition of entrepreneurship in a world increasingly driven by data, precision, and speed. AI as a tool for testing business ideas. Traditionally, testing a business idea required substantial time, capital, and effort. Entrepreneurs relied on surveys, focus groups, and trial-and-error product launches. AI has fundamentally transformed this process. Rapid prototyping and feedback. AI-powered tools like generative design models and no-code platforms allow entrepreneurs to create prototypes quickly. Digital mock-ups, product concepts, or service workflows can be developed and refined within hours, enabling faster user feedback. Simulated scenarios. AI enables entrepreneurs to simulate market conditions and customer behaviors. Predictive analytics tools, for instance, can forecast how a product might perform across different demographics, geographies, or pricing strategies. Idea validation through trend analysis. Platforms like ChatGPT and Google Trends help entrepreneurs assess market interest and trends instantly. These tools can identify gaps or areas of demand that would have taken weeks to uncover manually. AI has revolutionized idea testing, making it faster, more cost-effective, and highly accurate, allowing entrepreneurs to pivot and iterate with greater confidence. Building market intelligence with AI. Understanding the market is essential for entrepreneurial success, and AI enhances this process by delivering real-time, actionable insights that traditional methods cannot match. Customer insights. AI-powered tools analyze customer behavior, preferences, and feedback at scale. This data allows entrepreneurs to refine their offerings and align them with actual market demands. Competitive analysis. Platforms like SEMrush and SimilarWeb offer detailed competitor insights, including pricing strategies and customer acquisition tactics. Such intelligence helps entrepreneurs effectively position their ideas and identify opportunities for differentiation. Predictive market trends. AI processes vast amounts of historical and real-time data to forecast future market trends. Entrepreneurs can leverage these insights to spot emerging opportunities, adapt to shifts in customer behavior, or mitigate potential risks. By automating data collection and analysis, AI empowers entrepreneurs to make informed, data-driven decisions, reducing uncertainty and increasing their chances of success. Changing the notion of entrepreneurship. The integration of AI into entrepreneurship has transformed the way we approach innovation and risk. Reduced risk, increased experimentation. AI lowers the cost and effort involved in testing ideas, empowering entrepreneurs to explore bold and unconventional concepts. This shift reduces barriers to entry, democratizing innovation and making entrepreneurship more accessible. From intuition to data-driven decisions. While intuition and creativity remain vital, AI offers a solid, data-driven foundation for decision-making. Entrepreneurs can validate their instincts with reliable data rather than relying solely on gut feelings. Accelerating the pace of innovation. AI accelerates every stage of the entrepreneurial process, from ideation to execution. Entrepreneurs can bring ideas to market faster, respond to feedback more efficiently, and maintain a competitive edge in dynamic industries. AI is redefining entrepreneurship as a fusion of creativity, adaptability, and data-driven strategy, empowering a new generation of entrepreneurs to innovate with confidence and precision. The rise of AI has fundamentally reshaped how entrepreneurs test business ideas and gather market intelligence. It has established a new paradigm where innovation is faster, risks are minimized, and decisions are based on actionable insights. For entrepreneurs, this represents a moment of unparalleled opportunity. By leveraging AI, they can navigate uncertainty with precision, pursue bold ideas, and redefine what it means to build a successful venture. Entrepreneurship has always been about turning ideas into reality, and AI has made that process smarter, faster, and more accessible than ever. The question is no longer whether AI will influence the future of entrepreneurship, but how today's entrepreneurs will harness its potential to shape their own futures.